This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to calculate the area of a triangle. Now, you might remember that in the Junior Cert you used the formula that the area for a triangle is just a half base times height. And this would work if all the triangles we were looking at were right-angled triangles. But, as can be seen down below, this formula wouldn't really work. Because in order to work out this area using this formula, we would need to know this perpendicular height here, which we can't figure out. So, another formula we can use is given here, and it is a half AB sine C. Now, the important thing to note here is that this angle C must be the angle in between A and B, just like we have here. We can only use this formula when we have the angle in between two sides that we know. So, a simple example given here is to find the area of this triangle ABC. So, A, B, C. Now, these A, B, C that I've drawn here should not be confused with this angle C in the formula, which can happen to some students. So, when we're filling in our formula, we just have to identify what our A, B, and C are. So, in the case of this example, we can see that our A is 12 centimeters, our B is 8 centimeters, and our C, our angle C, is this angle here, which is 30 degrees. So all we simply do is fill in these values into the formula. So we have down here a half 12 times 8 sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is a half, and 12 times 8 is 96. And if we throw this line here into our calculator, we can find that the answer is 24 centimeters squared. And always keep in mind that questions involving area, you need to add in your units. Another way we can work out the area of a triangle is if we're given all the lengths of all of the sides of the triangle. So if I'm given a triangle here, for example, and we have sides of length A, B, and C, if we let S equal A plus B plus C divided by 2, and use the formula area equals square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, we can also get the area of a triangle. So down here we just have an example of that, where we have our triangle here. So we'll call 5 centimeters A, 8 centimeters we'll call that B, and 9 centimeters we'll call that C. We fill these values first into our formula for S to get S equals 11. And this value goes into our formula for area we had up here. And we eventually end up getting that our area is 19.9 centimeters squared. Again, not forgetting our units.